You've spent your entire life paying into Social Security, so you absolutely deserve to get every single penny back that you're entitled to. But the real question is, will you? We're about to break down three little-known strategies that could add a serious amount of money to your retirement.
So let's just get right to it. Are you 100% positive you're getting every single dollar that you have a right to? The truth is, most people who leave money on the table, well, they don't lose it because of some complex loophole. They lose it because they just don't know about a few key, totally legal strategies to maximize what they get.
And believe me, the stakes are high. We're not talking about pocket change here. We're talking about a potential difference of $25,000 or even more over the course of your lifetime. Now that is real money, money you've worked hard for.
And here's the thing, there's a deadline. With some potential changes to how benefits are calculated coming down the pike, you really need to get your ducks in a row before 2026. So let's just jump right into the three strategies you need to know about right now. Okay, our first powerful strategy is what I like to call the do-over. Now, a lot of people think this option is long gone, a thing of the past. But the core idea behind it is very much alive, and it's all about using something called delayed retirement credits to your advantage.
So what in the world are these credits? Well, it's pretty simple. For every single year you wait to claim Social Security past your full retirement age, your benefit gets a guaranteed boost of about 8%. And this keeps going all the way up until you hit age 70. I mean, think about it. You can't get a guaranteed return like that anywhere else. It makes a huge difference over your lifetime.
But what if you've already started taking your benefits? Maybe you filed early and now you're kind of having second thoughts. Well, you have a one-time shot, but, and this is important, it's only within the first 12 months of claiming to actually withdraw your application. All you have to do is pay back the benefits you've already received.
It's almost exactly like hitting a big reset button. Your benefit just goes right back to growing, piling up all those valuable delayed credits. This one move, right here, is where thousands of dollars are often just hiding in plain sight.
And the impact of this is just massive. I mean, look at the difference. Claiming early gets you a smaller monthly check for life. But by using this do-over and waiting until you're 70, that monthly check becomes so much bigger, again, for the rest of your life.
Now, our second strategy is a real masterclass in financial planning, and it's specifically for married couples. It's all about coordinating your claims so you can get the best of both worlds. You get some income now, and a much, much larger income later on. This strategy is called benefit stacking. And what it does is it allows one spouse to claim a benefit based on the other spouse's record, all while their own personal retirement benefit just keeps growing in the background. It's a brilliant approach, really. Let's take a look at how it works. So this slide lays out the four-step process. First, spouse A goes ahead and files for their benefits. Now, that move opens the door for spouse B to claim a spousal benefit, which gets some income flowing right away. And while they're collecting that spousal benefit, their own benefit is growing by that magic 8% a year. Then boom, at age 70, they switch over to their own, now much larger, personal benefit. This strategy right here can be the key difference between having a good retirement income and having a great one. It's a really powerful tool that so many couples just don't know about, but it's completely legal and it's available to everyone who qualifies. Okay, our third and final strategy is probably the simplest, but don't let that fool you. It can stop you from losing money permanently because of old mistakes. This is a crucial little administrative check that absolutely everyone should be doing. So here's the deal. Your benefit is calculated based on your 35 highest earning years. Now, if even one of those years of your income is missing from your record, especially a high earning year, it can drag your average down and permanently lower your benefit. A simple little error like that can cost you thousands. And here's the catch. The Social Security Administration has a super strict time limit for fixing your earnings record. You have just over 3 years to fix a mistake from any given year. After that window slams shut, and those mistakes are set in stone forever. So please, whatever you do, do not just assume your record is perfect. You have to request your full statement. You can do this totally for free by creating a My Social Security account on their website. Go through it year by year and make sure everything looks right. This simple check can save you from a really costly and permanent mistake. Whew, okay, we've covered the do-over option, that awesome couple strategy, and how important it is to check your earnings record. So let's pull all this together into a clear, simple action plan that you can start using today. Here it is, your 3-point checklist. First,
If you've claimed benefits in the last year and you're maybe having some second thoughts, you need to look into that one-time withdrawal option. Second, if you're married, start investigating that spousal benefit stacking strategy. And third, and this is for absolutely everyone, go request and review your full earnings history right away. These three strategies, they can honestly mean the difference between a standard retirement and one with tens of thousands of extra dollars that you have rightfully earned. That money is just sitting there on the table. The only question left is, what's your first step going to be?